Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot Triple V Tarot. I'm Rishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. So take what resonate. It's if it doesn't resonate, it's not your story. Okay, let's do general collective reading for the sign of Pisces. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Karma of your ex for hurting you. I have already shuffled the cards and let's get started. So, how did they play you? So, I have Nine of Athemis. This is Nine of Swords in this card. Innocence and Six of Wands. I think you were very innocent with this person, and he just manipulated your innocence. He had all the knowledge that he was manipulating you. He was playing with you, with your innocence, and he felt very victorious whenever he did that, and he kept you stuck. Like all the time he used to do all the dirty things with you, and he knew, see, you can see a bat here, he knew that you were stressed out, so you just got away because of his behavior, repeated behavior. I think this card is narcissist card for me, because this person does everything for people, to show off people that he is victorious, he is powerful, he is this, that, whatever. So he manipulated your innocence and kept many nights you had cried for these things because of this emotional turmoil he had given you. Every time you gave him chances with your innocence, he played with you and he used to enjoy it. The main thing is that he used to enjoy it. You were puppet in his hands. So how they feel about playing with you? They think that you are exhausted after they played with you. See, can you see this person? This is you. And they wanted to keep you stuck there, hangman, exhausted, and holy king. He didn't wanted you to find the way. He feels that wherever he has left you, you would have been stuck there, exhausted. So he is a narcissist for sure. And he is watching you from far. Can you see this person in the background here? No? You can see that person is watching you when you are lost on your way. Okay, so what's happening in their life now? Suppression. Suppression. He's in his thoughts. He is exhausted with his thoughts. Seven of chalices. He has options now, but he doesn't want them now because he is very obsessed with you. This is a devil card. Pure narcissist. For sure. He has an addiction. He likes controlling people. Let it be you or other person. Anybody. If he doesn't get attention, he gets mad. Can you see his eyes? He is watching you and he thinks about you all the time. He's so obsessed with you. Oh my god. And now he is suppressed because of that, because he just came to know that he's so obsessed with you. Playing with you was his favorite game. Pisces. And he has options, but he's not looking at them now. So this is what is going on in their life now. So how do they feel about you? They want to apologize for whatever they did. with a small, with a childish way, in a childish way. It is not a king, knight, nothing. It's a, it's a small offer, or he wants to apologize. Actually, yeah, he wants to offer some stability, small stability or a small gift, and want to come back. This is three of chalices. He thinks that once he gives you a gift, you will accept it because you are dreaming about them. That is what he thinks about you. See, he thinks that you are waiting for them to come back. He thinks that way because you are still exhausted and you are still healing. You have not moved on. That is what he can see. He thinks that you are stuck with, like you are stuck on them. That is what he thinks. So he is thinking, when I come back with a small gift, you will accept him because you are already dreaming of him, according to him. Okay. Okay. So what's their karma? Eight of Pentacles. Burden. Oh, you have two. Oh my God. Two cards. Comparison and burden. See, comparison and burden. And Eight of Cups. So their karma is that whole their life they have to work very hard for money. See, can you see this person? He is a old. He's getting old. So he's till his old age, he has to work. Next, you have emotionally walked away, and whomever they meet next will be very manipulating. He will meet his match. So this other person is going to abuse him. Can you see this other person face? That person is your person. That person will manipulate and be a very big burden on them. They deserve that. So narcissist will meet a better narcissist, I guess, and hold their life. Can you see this is a mountain? So they have to carry this other person's burden all his life till he is exhausted. The way he made you exhausted, it is like 10 times more exhaustion. Can you see that? Yeah, Pisces. And he'll keep whole his life. He has to work for pentacles because he will never be satisfied because this other person's demand will never come to a closure somewhere else, or he this comparison, he'll whole his life while working, he will think about you, how solid, how beautiful, how innocent you were, and what he has got is this thing now, the other partner, and this is 5. So 5 means he will constantly have change in the relationship. That will not be a stable relationship. If they get any partner, for them they have to work day and night. They have to earn money to please this person, and this person will be manipulating them whole their life. And till that time you would have emotionally walked away. There are no chances that you are going to come back in his life anyways. And every time this happens, this manipulation, he will think about you. This comparison will be there. This other person or whoever companion he gets will be a master manipulator, a big master manipulator and big narcissist. Can you see this mountain? He will ask him to climb those mountains with her burden, if he or she take what resonates. So he will, like the way he has exhausted you. Can you see? He is 10 times more exhausted here. So he will be punished. The karma will punish him in its own way by giving him a companion who will be a burden on him. And he will all the time compare his or her behavior with you. See how solid you were. You gave everything to them, emotional, emotionally, stability, loving wise. You were a stable foundation. What he gave, now what he is having, a small stick. Can you compare this? And there's a number 5. So constantly he will be thinking to change this situation, but he will not be able to. So that is their karma. So let's take some messages from your person. See, can we start all over again? I accept it was my mistake. So he's accepting that it was his mistake. He wants to message you now because he misses you. As see, I'm still struggling to speak truth to you. What truth he wants to tell you? That he wants you back. Look, devil card, and this message is I'm addicted to drugs, sex, and alcohol. That's my life. So he wants you to accept that. Devil means addictions, any type of addiction, anything that is more is an addiction. I'm planning to take you out for dinner. So this reading resonates with all the messages I have got. It is saying I'm planning to take you out for dinner, movie and trip. So he is planning to take you out. So he is trying to come back in your life. He wants to date you again. So these are the messages for you. I hope it makes some sense for you, Pisces. If it resonates, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos. Don't forget to comment. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon, Pisces, in next video. Till then, love and light.